Now that you've added products to your online store and set up your shipping options, it's time to set up your taxes. Squarespace offers two methods for setting up sales tax: our automated system or manual rate entry. To use automated taxes, navigate to the Taxes panel within your site settings and select Automated Tax. You'll need to add a tax address, product tax code, and registrations for your tax location. Every business is different, and tax laws vary by location. We recommend consulting with a tax expert about registering your business with local tax authorities. Lastly, you can add product-specific tax codes to each of your products to help improve tax accuracy. If you enable automated taxes, please note that transaction fees will apply to your sales. To avoid these fees, you have the option to use our manual tax setting. To set up manual taxes, from the Taxes panel, select Manual, and then Add Rate. Select a country from the Country drop-down menu to set a tax rule for that country. If you select the United States, you'll need to specify a state, as a national tax rule is not possible for the US. For Canada, you can add a province rate. Finally, choose whether you want taxes displayed at checkout or included in the product price. Please let us know if you have any more questions. We're always here to help.